Hey guys, it's Royer from Oracle12 and EpicDroid.com. For any of you guys who are old school Pokemon lovers, the people who like the Generation 1 Pokemon, the original Pokemon, red and blue type thing, this video is for you. Google recently added an Easter egg to the Google search engine that allows you to catch Pokemon within that search engine. This isn't Pokemon Go, this isn't a emulator for Pokemon or anything like that. This is purely and simply going to Google.com, searching for a Pokemon, and then catching them in Google. So I'm going to do a quick search here for one of my favorite Pokemon. I know it's a plain and easy one, but we're going to search for Ditto. It's going to pop up this little Pokemon ball icon in the corner. You're going to tap that. And gotcha, Ditto was caught. As you catch more and more Pokemon, it rewards you with Master Balls that you can then use to catch legendary or super rare Pokemon. You can scroll through and you can see what you've already caught in your Pokedex, and it gives you a chance to complete some more. And just like in the old TV show, it has that little name that Pokemon thing. It shows you a picture and kind of gives you a hint here so that you can find other Pokemon to catch. Fortunately, I do remember that one. That was Articuno, I think. And I've already unlocked one Master Ball, so we're going to try and catch that. It changes the icon there to that little Master Ball. Going to hit the button. Gotcha, Articuno was caught. So there we go. So nothing super duper exciting, but it is a fun little thing that Google has included in there to kind of appeal to some of us who like that nostalgia. And it's fun to go in there, catch some of those Pokemon, try to remember what those names are, and see if you can catch all those Pokemon again. So be sure to let us know your favorite Pokemon down in the comment section down below. And if you guys have enjoyed this video, remember to give us a thumbs up and to share it with your friends. And as always, just want to tell you guys thank you for watching, thank you for all your support, and you all have an awesome day.